Let me show how to extend background of photo using content-aware fill in Photoshop. First, unlock the background layer. Click here and choose Crop tool. Click here and choose Ratio. Hold Alt plus drag like this. Adjust image accordingly like this. Go to Select option and choose Subject. Again go to Select option and choose Save Selection. Give the name of selection. Press OK. Press Ctrl plus D for deselect. Click here and choose Content Aware Scale. Click here and choose Subject. Hold Shift plus Alt and stretch image like this. Adjust the image. That's it. Hope you liked.